Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So today's video is going to be on what my kids got for their Easter baskets from the Easter Bunny. Alright, so if you are new here, I would love you to consider subscribing and joining my family here on this fun journey we call YouTube. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the video and get started. As most of you know, last year I got my Forever baskets for the girls, and these are it right here. So here's another one of their baskets. I did purchase two more because that's just me, I'm extra. Here's one of them right here. And I got these from, I believe, Target or Walmart. Honestly, I don't remember. I got them last year though. And I got two of these for the girls as well. And then I was at Cub last year and I put these in the back of my truck. Completely forgot about them. I was going to return them and not use them. And I ended up forgetting, and it went past the time frame for the return. So I ended up keeping them, and these are the bunnies that I got, Rakaya and Raquel. I got these cute little headbands, hence I'm wearing a headband from last year, and I don't remember whose it was, but I am borrowing it. I thought it would fit well with this video. I'm going to go through all the Dollar Tree stuff, and then I'll get into the Walmart stuff. So from the Dollar Tree, it's called Lip Pops, and they're just lollipops. Basically, it almost looks like a pacifier. Okay, Rakaya is obsessed with this game, and it's the Tic-Tac-Toe Game. I mean, it's just something simple. You don't have to have a paper or pen, and they can just play the game and be occupied. All the stuff that we shop for on Friday, me and the Easter Bunny, was at the Dollar Tree and Walmart. I believe these are from the Dollar Tree. Shiny Easter eggs. Also did get these are kind of like a speckled, bigger dinosaur egg. It's called a dinosaur egg, yeah. These are from Walmart. So I got the bigger speckled eggs, and I plan on putting little like coupons for, you know, $5, you know, for a $5 toy. They can use their little coupons, put little cute sayings in here and coupons, or money like the Easter Bunny normally does. So I thought that would be a good idea to get these. And then I also did get some different designs as well, but they're the same egg, the same size anyway. I had the Easter Bunny. We picked out some stickers for the girls. I thought these were really cute. I got the same for both of them, plates, and then some napkins to go with the plates for actual Easter Day. I got two of the matching ones. So one for the egg decorating and then one for actual Easter Day. And then another thing that me and the Easter Bunny did pick up was these boards. So one side is a whiteboard and the other side is a chalkboard. I thought it would be fun for the girls to, you know, kind of play games on, draw on, write on. So it comes with two chalk pieces. It comes with obviously the dry erase marker. I'm not so much into giving the kids candy or the girls candy, but there's a few occasional holidays where I do splurge and I do let them have their candy that they normally wouldn't get on a daily basis. Alright, so these are popping candy with lollipops. And these I got from, I believe, the Dollar Tree. I thought these were really cute. The Easter Bunny actually picked these out. These Smarties candy, and it's just a happy Easter. These are an all-time favorite of the girls, and that is M&M's. They love M&M's, especially Raquel. Bobblehead bunny, and there's candy in there. Thought that was kind of cute. And then the girls wear jewelry all the time, and they lose it, which, you know what? So when the Easter Bunny asked if we could get these bracelets for them, and I was like, I figured why not? If Rakaya wears them to school and she loses them, no big deal. We also got them the lollipop rings, and then a yellow and a pink. It was just a simple pen, and then it's just like a little diamond on the top. I thought it was really cute. Just a cute little pen for the girls to play with. Frozen 2, and there's candy inside. Rakaya is obsessed with Frozen, so this will be for her. Then we also got the Paw Patrol Candy inside egg, and this one will be for Raquel. She loves Paw Patrol. And I think that was it for the Dollar Tree. Now from Walmart, so I got the Easter eggs. So no cooking required, bright colored, non-toxic dye, 100% recyclable Easter eggs. There's a dozen of these that can color them and they can keep them. I don't have to worry about them getting rotten or smelling or anything like that. I know I had this on one of my Shop With Me videos, and I believe this was like $1.98 at Walmart, so pretty much the same as you would pay for a dozen of eggs. One of my all-time favorites, the Reese's Peanut Butter Eggs. These are so good, and I will definitely be helping them. Okay, so originally we were going to shred some paper in my shredder and just do some colored paper for the Easter grass, but I just figured it would go through a lot of paper and I don't know if it would fluff up like Easter grass does. So I just had the Easter Bunny pick up some more Easter grass for me. Apparently I threw all of mine away last year, and I believe I did a Clean With Me video and I threw it all away. So I had the Easter Bunny pick me up some more Easter grass, and we just got the plain green. Alright, and then these were cute. So it's candy snowflakes, so candy filled eggs, and it comes in a 4-pack, and this is frozen. And then we also got Raquel the candy filled eggs as well in Paw Patrol, and these were both at Walmart. If any of you know me out there, I love peanut butter. So do the girls. We're big fans of Reese's Pieces. And I thought it was cute, like little, they mimic carrots obviously, but I thought that was cute for them for their Easter baskets. Girls are always literally taking my lipstick, so I don't even know where mine is at. So I have lip gloss. I always use lip gloss or chapstick. It's just one of my things, and the girls always are begging me to use mine. So we got Rakaya the LOL chapstick, and then we got Raquel the watermelon flavored lip balm, the Jolly Rancher. They didn't have Paw Patrol or Minnie Mouse or anything like that, and this was at Walmart as well. So we picked up these for them. I thought these were a little cute. I'm going to actually separate these for their Easter baskets. It's a lollipop bouquet. So I thought that was really cute, and that was at Walmart. Alright, so we also picked up the Kinder Joy Sweet Cream Topped with Cocoa Wafer Bites. These things are amazing if you guys have not tried them. They're kind of a little spendy, but they're so worth it. It's just like a nice little treat, and they're so good. So we picked up a couple of these for the girls. The Easter Bunny also said he really likes them as well. Frozen 2, 12 tattoo bracelets, and then 40 tattoos for LOL. So they didn't have any for like Paw Patrol or any cute like ones that I really cared for Raquel. So me and the Easter Bunny decided to get these two, and the girls can share them. So I'm gonna put, I don't know which one I'm gonna put in which basket, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, so they're gonna share these two. That's the plan anyway. And they're pretty good about sharing. And hence again, I got some Reese's Pieces eggs for the girls. And then also, I did get some Kit Kats, and I might have ate some and then shared some with the girls. So I have to get some more, maybe, I don't know, maybe we have enough candy, but because I don't like giving the girls too much candy, but I do love these as well. So we did decide to get them, last year I know we got them bites. This year, the girls honestly don't need anything. They have so much already. So I wanted to be minimal on what we got them. So me and the Easter Bunny decided to pick up these few things, and I know the girls will love them. So for Raquel, alright, maybe I should have looked at the packaging, but it says press tummy for sound. I honestly didn't even realize that this would make noise. Alright, so the story behind the baby, because Raquel is obsessed with babies. One of my friends, Haley, her daughter Mackenzie, has one of the real dolls where they really look like a real baby, and she has a carrier for it, and Raquel was obsessed with it. So I told Easter Bunny, I was like, I think it would be a good idea to get Raquel a baby. And then along with the baby, we got the carrier. So I figured, why not? These two can go together, and I think she will absolutely love it. I just didn't realize that it made a sound. Alright, and then Rakaya is obsessed with LOL and LOL Surprise OMG, 15 surprises, unboxed fashions, dress me, shine bright, blacklight surprise. So I'm going to show you guys what I got to decorate the Easter eggs. Alright, so the Easter Bunny saw these. I got these at Walmart as well. These are the egg stencils. Thought these were cute. So a little dog paws. There is a fire, a bunny, a chick. And then on this one, we have just Disney characters, Minnie, Mickey, a bunny, a chick, and some flowers. I almost forgot. So me and the Easter Bunny did decide to pick up these, and these were at Walmart. So this is the Accessory Kit, 1 child's apron, 1 plastic tablecloth, 1 set of each adult and children's gloves. So I did get 2 of these, so the girls will have gloves to wear. We got the marble. So I also did pick up this one. This will be a lot of fun. I know most of these they make such messes, but it's just like I just love doing these. I love decorating eggs. Sometimes it can get really messy, so you make sure you read the back of the packaging because it can get very, there can be a lot of work and very messy. And then we got some of the candy shine ones. These ones are different. I've never done these ones before, and so that'll be interesting. It's almost like a mirrored shine to them. And then I decided to get the iridescent ones. Thought that was fun. And then also the foil shimmer stones. And that's the Easter egg decorating kit as well. How pretty are these? Alright, so I'll take these and actually fill them with the Easter Bunny's money and some cute little sayings from Mommy and Daddy. And that is it for what me and the Easter Bunny got the kids for their Easter baskets. If you guys did enjoy this video and you do like this kind of content on my channel, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching as always, and thank you for the support. I really do appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.